The first round of the Travelers Championship in the books, and it is now on day 2, the second round there. A lot of fun out there yesterday, and it just continues today.
Yeah, and as it gets underway this morning, the TPC River Highlands has another fun day of exciting events. That's where we find NBC Connecticut Jennifer Joas. She's live in Cromwell to show us there's something for everyone, right, Jen?
Hey, good morning. That is exactly right. You know, hundreds of thousands of fans are expected to come out over the next several days out here. It's very exciting for people, especially those avid golfers. And one thing we do want to touch on this morning is obviously there's a ton of pro golfers out there on the field, but a lot of the fans are golfers. And joining me this morning, Nick, you're an orthopedic surgeon. Yes. We want to talk a little bit about arthritis. What can people do to treat it, especially golfers?
Yeah, so you know, it's very, very common for people to have arthritis in the hands, and people deal with it on a daily basis. Fortunately, the warm weather typically does help a bit, but that being said, most commonly things that you think of are like ice, rest, oral anti-inflammatory medication like Tylenol, ibuprofen, or Advil. There's also topical anti-inflammatory medication that patients can take as well. But beyond that, specifically with golfers, which I have a lot of patients that deal with this, is I encourage them to increase the grip size on their clubs. And that helps because they don't have to squeeze down as hard. So it takes a lot of stress off the joints and off the tendons, so it makes their hands more comfortable so they can enjoy a sport that they love to play.
Wow, that is really good advice. When do you feel like the pain, I mean, I guess it's just pain tolerance, and if it gets too bad, people should really seek medical attention?
Yeah, so I always tell patients it's really about them and their symptoms. It's not about treating an x-ray, it's about treating the patient. Because sometimes we'll get x-rays, they look horrible, and patients feel pretty good, and otherwise x-rays don't look too bad, and patients are in a ton of pain. So it's really about when you feel like it's interrupting your quality of life, your activities of daily living, that's usually when I recommend seeking treatment. So there are a good number of conservative things that we can try to help treat your pain, and without even requiring surgery.
Well, thank you so much for joining us. Behind us, you could probably hear some of these lawnmowers going. This is the putting green down here that you can see. They're just trying to get everything wrapped up, ready to go, because, again, round 2 starts out here at 7 o'clock this morning. The competition is heating up, so make sure you get down and enjoy the day. Live in Cromwell, Jennifer Joas, NBC Connecticut News. Back to you.
Hey, Jen.